Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your country on Remitly. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is simply go ahead, open up your Remitly app and make sure you're logged in as well. Once you have logged into your account, you simply have to go to your profile settings. From the settings, you're gonna go ahead, tap on the update option, which is in the sending country, and then you're gonna fill in the desired location, or you're gonna choose the desired location you would like to change or update it to. Then you will have to tap on, once you have done that, you want to confirm and save the changes, and this will simply change the country or you are sending money from within the Remitly platform itself. You can also do it from your website as well. You simply have to log in again, access your profile settings, where you simply manage your profile information. From there, simply have to tap on modify, where you will be able to modify your sending country. You simply have to add in the new country information or a new country name, choose from it, and then you're good to go. Another thing that you have to make sure is, according to Remitly, you might be needed verification, it might require, and also recipient's country update also it might require. So make sure to provide them both and you're good to go. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.